For those of you out there that have hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you very much.
Well, they say the third time is a charm. Let's try this video for the third time. Welcome, everyone. We're checking out WIF, dog with hat, the meme coin. Meme coin seems to be popping off right now as the market's starting to feel a little bit more confident. This is currently the weekend trading here on a Saturday, but we got a trend line going here on the 4 hour, and so far it's been respected. One hump, two hump. Can we get a third hump and finally come back up to this 76.5 area? It's on the table. Now, we are flirting with losing this non-moving average, but as long as we got the trend line, we're still in attack. Things look kind of solid here, but, you know, if we do lose this trend line, whether it's now or later, there's lots of possibilities. We could just come up here and do something like that. We're looking at maybe catching here around the 58 cent area. Just to retest this area and a nice Fibonacci pullback area. That would be a nice place to pull back, maybe even make a flag pattern to get up and get some of these bigger targets. The sweet sell spot we got over here at 85 to 90, almost 93 cents. Could it happen? It could happen, but it's going to be asking a lot, in my personal opinion, to get past the 76 cent area, though, if we get up there. It's got a lot of things to do here, and trying to get a higher high above 79.80 cents is going to be one of the biggest things to overcome. It is more likely to be coming down, in my personal opinion, than going all the way up here to 93 at the present moment. But we've got to throw that out there because that's what the charts say could happen. But one other option that we might really want to look at when we are looking at the, you know, we're taking these trend lines into account here, and see where we're struggling with this little guy that we had over here. And we may argue that we're kind of in that channel. If we lose that, that could put us back down to this 49.50 cent area. I see this trend line here. We could be just coming all the way back, just bouncing up within this channel, because that's what we like to do a lot with prices, is bounces up and down within channels. And there's other areas here, 57.58, which could get caught there. I think we mentioned that, and as well as 40 cents. So now might we come on up here 76, come down? Any of that is on the table. I do think there's a possibility for one little leg up, whether it happens over Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. We might be looking at that, whether it's a double top or not, before we come down here. But imagine if you were to get into WIF, if you do catch it somewhere around 50 cents, and you can sell it at this sweet spot over here at 85.93 cents. Well, $100 turns into $185, and if nothing like that, let's say you get it and we just come back to the top of the channel, $100 turns into about 147, 150, somewhere through there. Not a bad play, but the sweet spot's to get us 49 cents in my personal opinion. Maybe a sweet little nibble here about 57 or 58. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button and come over and check me out at night, 10:30 p.m.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we go over the markets every night. If you like what I do here, come and hang out. And if you're trying to learn what I do, come and hang out and ask questions. Thank you so much. You're watching Road Dog Crypto. See you on the next one.